Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, no matter where you are in the world. This is Howie, and I'm here to help you win with money. Today is January 7th, 2023. This is the end of week number one of a new trading year. And in this video, I'm going to show you what I did using my 4, 5, and 6 strategy. The markets ended up Friday really nice. If you want to see my trades, I do post it on Twitter. And I'll show you some of the screenshots. So I do post my trades here on Twitter so you can see that. And I try to get it up as soon as I can. You can find me at Solving Chaos on Twitter. Or if you prefer Facebook, I do a lot more explaining and teaching in Facebook group Investing 102. And here is the E-Trade account. I just loaded it up. And what I'm going to do is I'll try to put all the trades in this particular portfolio so you can see it. I opened some of these 4, 5. I didn't do the 6 yet. And I did open the 3,000 buying power of QQQs. So I have 4,000 for Visa left. Let me show you what I do with the transactions. So you hit transactions. I copy the logs. What I normally do is just grab the last 7 days. I grab the logs from my E-Trade account. Then I open up my trusty pivot table that I've been using since last year, and I paste it in here. And then what I do is I delete all the rows that I don't need, and then I fill in all the other columns that I need to help me with my pivot table. And for instance, I'll show you real quickly what I do. And then with the magic of editing, I'm going to show you what it looks like. You'll see that this is last year, and what I do is because I use filtering, I move all of last year's trade count into a different column, and column P will now be called the previous year trade number, and then I start the numbers all over. Now for this year, by moving the challenge over here, you can easily filter out. 234 was 2022, 456 will be 2023. This is also a 2023 one. It's a free K buying power using QQQs, iron condors. So it makes it really easy to find the trades as long as I mark them correctly. And I'll show you real quickly. Here you go. I marked it correctly. And the rest of it is pretty simple. It's all the same. And then let's see what the data shows after I do a pivot. And because I used this for last year, we got to go to this filter over here. And we got to deselect last year's data. Because we only care about this year's running total. And because this year is January, and there you go. So this is week number 1. And that's my data for the first trading week of this year. And because Monday was a holiday, there is no 5 trading days. I'm going to just copy that up. So I'm going to use my last year's sort of count. So this is the daily activity. You can see how much I made. Now, some of this is deceiving. I close all my positions on the last day of the trading year on Friday, December 30th. So I took like a $600 loss. So therefore, on this year, because I'm opening a new position and I'm doing iron condors, I get the credit up front. So it looks like I made a lot of money, but that's not true. We got to wait for time to decay, and then we'll see how much money we make several weeks down the road. Let's just scroll over here. This looks familiar. This will be my data for 2023. And I just had to update. You can see I didn't update some of these yet, so I'll do that right now. Updated that. I moved the data for 2022 right next to me. And then 2021 is over here. So we have some historical context. 27 trades, P&L, $60 per trade. Projections based on this average, I want to do 1,400 trades this year. Let's go to the pivot table by the month. If you hit this, hit the refresh, and you'll see you're not going to see anything because you got to come over here, bring in the new quarter, and there you go. That's what the data looks like. And this is what I was just talking about. I collected $1,400 because I was opening a all my new positions. Now this one is the Santa Claus rally. This credit spread, I closed it for a profit, but I didn't really make $225. The Santa Claus rally was open on the fourth quarter because I opened it before Christmas, and I paid 180 to open, and I closed it for a credit of 225. So the difference is $40, and I think it was 184, 185, or maybe 186. I don't remember exactly, but I made about $40. Based on the raw data, I'm up $1,600. In any case, stay tuned. Follow me for the whole year. I'm going to show you what I do. And again, if you want to follow my trades, I post them on Twitter, post it on Facebook group Investing 102. As always, let's do this together. Let's do this $1 at a time. Have a profitable day. Bye-bye.